In case if the setting icons is missing from the home screen of your iPhone, then what might have happened is the setting icons might have been buried in the folder of any application. So in order to bring the setting icons to the home screen, swipe the screen to the bottom and type settings in the search bar here, and what to do is open settings. Now go to general, scroll down and go to reset and select reset home screen layout. So what happens when you select reset home screen layout, the setting icons will be available on the home screen. Now if you have arranged the applications on the home screen in a particular order, then the arrangement will be gone. You need to rearrange the icons again. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notifications of our latest videos for free.